guys, welcome to the Product Streamer channel. Today we are playing Subway Surfer game. So you're thinking why we are playing Subway Surfer game like Ice Cream number 3, Ice Cream number 2, the mental horror game. Why you playing not all games, guys? Why you playing with them? First, let's just start with the basic guys. As I'm making first time a video of games. So let's start with the basics, then I'll go to the mental horror games, all games that you all like. So you make sure you subscribe to my channel. If you don't subscribe also because our channel is so low, guys. Please guys, please subscribe to our channel. Let's go. Guys, you have to subscribe to my channel, guys. Please subscribe. So let's go. This is sorry guys, let's take one key. And guys, make sure, right? You need to do one thing to me, that make sure that you see my videos, guys. And please like, guys. Please minimum like or share the video to others or subscribe. So please guys, help me guys. This time, as I promised you, I'm giving the game. Wait, oh shit guys, I was not seeing them. So you make me subscribe guys. Please. I'm telling you have to subscribe. So let's play now. Let's stop and let's focus on the game. Oh my gosh. This game is like it's stopping some, so I can't understand the controls guys. Please bro. See, it's starting. Again when have to work on this. So literally focus on the game. And one day I'm going to tell you how I'll do that old graphic. That's what it's called. Wait. One time the Subway Surfer like drops in a like there's nothing to jump everywhere and we shit, we're handling the key. Now use my own key. See guys, the block. See. The block is saying I can't understand. So let's wait a minute. Guys, I somehow got it. We are not wasting keys. Let's continue. This game never ends. Like continuously run more and make the game difficult. And it gets difficult. I can't understand it makes difficult and difficult. So we got a prize. We got a skateboard. Robots, let's go, baby. I don't do show. So always the Subway Surfer starts showing with this, and I don't know why, guys. Why means why. I started again playing. I have to focus on the game. It's like something I have to complete the word Subway Surfer. Actually, the game name only Subway Surfer and this is the Surfer. No. Oh my gosh, I was almost ready to write that down. One time it stopped working out. That train come one time, I don't like that train. Problem is that this is blocked. And how the train can come there? How guys? How can everything is blocked and suddenly trains will come suddenly? Like something goes to come and telling you to kill me? How is possible guys? Again we can complete it. Oh. Let's go Jetpack guys. Jetpack is my favorite guys because it's very fun. I have not done it. why guys? Like there will block everywhere, and suddenly the train will come like something happened. See. I'll show you guys. Wait, see, there's block, and how that train can come like something? How it's possible, bro? What they're thinking? Who is the game maker? Who thinks this is a white game for him? I'm literally. I got skating. Because what I'll do that. I will do like that only guys. When I was 5 years old, I always do like it's going to be fun. Oh yeah, I'm going to. This is like funny guys. So we got another guys and now I don't know how many other balls I have. See. This guy, it's like he's like something like see his stomach. Come stomach. Let's play again. And make sure guys. Oh yeah. I'm base. I was like I did not focus on the game. So let's try again. I like one character guys. That is looking like a robot. I like him so much guys. So much guys. He's amazing guys, literally. Now the first game will start with a slow motion guys. Suddenly the game will go speeder. Like what? I want jumping shoes bro. Please bro. I can happily enjoy my games. Jumping shoes I like so much guys. Now jumping shoes over there. See suddenly the speed is going more and more. And now the trains will come. I have to do it. Nobody can stop me. Oh! Please don't block, bro. The sea. Oh my gosh. No. Subway, my mission. I do one word, guys. Yes, let's go. Oh yeah. Like this. Very simple, guys. No. I want the key. Sorry, I'm moving my whole key. First, I give for keys. No. Now I should play really serious, guys. The game will continue. Oh, no. I almost did die there. Do you know, guys? I was like, guys, how the trees come? I can't understand anything, guys. Literally, like how the trains will come. Who created this game? I don't know. Who created? They have to know what they're doing. But Subway Surfers is famous because it's a famous game right now. For everybody's like Subway Surfers, like Subway Surfers. No, I'm gonna die today. No. How managed? But I got you. All keys gone, guys. Literally all keys gone. All keys are gone. Now I have only 0. If I want to play again, I need the key. Why this is out of control? See, it's like it's blocking my view, and I can't. Sorry. What the speed it came? Ouch. The speed it came suddenly. Something went off my. So, guys, I was like this. This is like best moment. Now, guys, it's like oh my. Guys, please, guys. I like something really, guys. The train will come suddenly on our faces. Like this, I use one technique, but that technique suddenly failed. One time I used the technique to save myself. I'll try again. And this is the last chance, guys. And after it's over, we're going to end this video and we'll start our new video. And we'll start the new game too. Subway Surfers I will play. When you comment below, guys, again should I play or not. Shit. I'm going to try last chance, guys. Make sure I can make it to high school. No, sound irritates me a lot. I have to one time block the sound. Oh bro, I got jumping ship. I did not saw it on that. Nobody can end me that. I'm really scared. So guys, I'm ending the video. Please make sure you subscribe. Bye bye. Goodbye. See you later.